guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all well. So today's video, I thought I would show you guys what I have been wearing in Mexico City for the last few days of the trip. This video is in collaboration with Pandora, as I am one of their ambassadors, and I have brought along some really beautiful pieces to style in this beautiful city. So this trip is all about celebrating love and new friendships, so I couldn't think of a better place to bring all of these beautiful pieces to style. So yeah, let's get right into the lookbook. For this first outfit, I decided to create this linen look that's really comfortable to walk around in. I paired a linen top with these linen dad trousers I have, and I created this kind of relaxed jumpsuit look. I kept this look pretty clean and minimal because I wanted to focus a bit more on the jewellery. So for my jewellery, I decided to go with an all gold look and lay it up my gold Pandora Me link chain bracelet, which I always wear with this beautiful Pandora Moments heart T-bar snake chain. Just to mix up the texture, I really love this combination as it creates a beautiful contrast against each other. For the rings, I decided to stack together the sparkling wave ring. Then I added this fun multicolor Infinity Stones ring from the Avengers collection with the Pandora Me gold band I featured in my last video, another staple of mine that I always gravitate to. I'm also finishing off this look with the gold Pandora Me double link chain necklace. It's such a timeless piece. Outfit 2, I opted for this fun zebra print co-ord set, so I thought that I would mix up my metals as well. I stacked together the timeless wish half sparkling ring with the wheat grains wishbone, and then I mixed up my metals with the wave ring, the plain gold band, and the classic wishbone ring. For the bracelet, I just kept on my gold chain, and then I added the Pandora Moments snake chain bracelet with the August birthstone circle charm. My birthday isn't in August, but I really fell in love with the green. Necklace wise, I've just kept on the same necklace from the last look. It literally goes with everything. So moving on to the third look, I think this is one of my favorite go-to looks on holiday, as it's so easy to throw together and it's so comfortable. We had a super chill day that day, exploring some new cafes and eating a lot of food. I kept the jewelries pretty minimal for this one. The rings are all in silver, mixing together the wave, wishbone and wheat rings. I love stacking together the wishbone and the wheat ring as it creates such a unique looking combination. My number one thing to pack for a hot climate holiday is definitely a white linen shirt. You can throw it on with anything and look pulled together. For my bracelet, again, I kept the same gold chain on. It's such a classic minimal piece, and I even had a few compliments on it. So this this is my last outfit. It's super fun and bright. I love this outfit so much that I actually wore it more than once. It's so breathable and I'm so obsessed with cords. I know this one is pretty loud and out there, but I think it complements the city really well. Because the outfit is pretty loud and out there and super colourful, I didn't want to go overboard with my jewellery, so I just stuck with my gold wave sparkling rings and then the plain gold band, but then I added the infinity stones ring, which I'm obsessed with because it's colourful as my outfit and I think it's nice to add a little pop of colour. I think if you're wearing something like this that's a little bit loud, you should go minimal with your jewellery for sure, so you don't take a lot of attention from the outfit, but it is nice to add a little pop of colour that would also complement it too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video and let me know which outfit was your favourite down below. Of course, I will be linking all of the Pandora pieces that I'm wearing in this video down below in the description. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys!